Dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today we'll start another chapter in mathematics in class 8, that is direct proportion. We'll solve some question from Rsagarwal exercise 12BA also. Now direct variation or proportion is very important branch because it has a use in real life situation. Direct variation or proportion describes a simple relationship between two variables. We say y varies directly with x if y is equal to k times of x, where k is a constant. It is called constant of variation or constant of proportionality. More clearly, we say variables x and y are in direct variation or proportion if ratio of y to x or ratio of x to y are constant. If there are two variables x and y, then y-x ratio y is always constant. Now, what is the use of this direct variation? Use is your to find one variable or one quantity from another when they are in direct variation or proportion. For example, I'll write the cost of 5 books is equal to your 25 rupees, and to find what is the cost of 8 books, how much it will be. I know you will say we can apply the unitary method, but here we'll write using this direct variation concept, so it will enable me to do very quickly without writing the whole statement as your unitary method. So let us ready to learn. Okay, so I'm going to a question. Observe this given table given below. Each one find x and y are proportional or not. This is exercise 12A, Rsagarwal book. You have to write x and y are proportional. That means you will find ratio of x and y for each case, and you will see that they are equal or not. Okay, now I'm taking first case. It will be 3 upon 9. And of course, I'll write in lowest term. It will be 1 by 1 upon 3. Next, I'll go for 5 by 12. 5 by, 15. It is how much? Again, 1 by 3. Yes, proportional. Then I'll go for third one. 8 by 24. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 3. So again, it is 1 by 3. For each case, x by y is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Now coming 11 by 33. Are you getting 1 by 3? Yes. Then your 26 upon 78. I'll cancel with 2, 13, 2, 39. Then cancelling with 13, I'll get 1 by 3. So for each case, xy by y ratio is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So what will the conclusion? X and y are proportional. Next, 2. X upon y. For first case, it will be how much? It will be 2.5 upon 10. If we will remove the decimal, it will be 25 by 100. It will be certainly 1 by 4 because 25 by 100 is 1 by 4. Coming to second one, 4 by 16. Is it 1 by 4? 4 times of 16? Yes. Third one, 7.5 by 30. Remove the decimal. 75 by 300. 25, 3, 3, 25, 3 times 100. Again, this gives you 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Now coming to Next one, 10 by 40. 10 by 40 is 1 by 4. Then coming to 14 by 42. 14 by 42 is 1 by 3. 14 times 1 by 3. So they are not in proportional. Are not in proportional because last one I am getting 1 by 3. All are I am getting 1 by 4. So even 1 is not there, they are not in proportional. Each ratio should be equal. Third one, I hope now you have learned, you can write yourself. 5 by 15, 1 by 3. 7 by 21, yes, 1 by 3. 9 by 27, yes, 1 by 3. 15 by 16, 60, 1 by 4. No, they are not equal. Not equal. 18 by 72, it is 1 by 4. 25 by 75, 1 by 3. So x and y are not proportional because some ratio we are getting 1 by 3, some ratio we are getting 1 by 4. Not proportional. Okay. Next, coming to another question. If x and y are directly proportional, find the value of x1, x2, y1 in the given table. You have to get x1, you have to get x2, you have to get y1. So let us write. For each case, ratio should be equal because they are directly proportional. So what I'll write that 3 by 72, first ratio must be equal to second ratio x1 by 120. From these two, I can get x1. How to get? You know how to solve it. You will cross multiply. So I'll get, say, x1 multiply 72 is equal to 120 multiplies 3, or x1 is equal to 120 multiplies 3 upon 72. Now you cancel 3, 24 table, you can recall 24 3 times your 72. 24 5 times your 120. So x1 is equal to 5. If you don't remember, then you have to do a hard. You have to cut with 3, then your 5, so on. So x1 is 5. We got x1 is 5. Next, coming to x2. Same ratio, 3 by 72. Then I'll equate with the second one is equal to x2 upon 192. Then again cross multiplication. I'll get 72 into x2 is equal to 192 multiplies your 3, or say x2 is equal to 192 multiplies 3 by 72. Divide 3, 24. 24 8 times 192. So x2 is equal to 8. We got another one. Now coming to y. Same ratio, 3 by 72. Where the ratio, all the terms are given, you take that ratio. That will be 10 by y1. Again cross multiply. 3 times of y1 is equal to 10 into 72. Or y1 is equal to 10 into 72 upon 3. 324 times 72, so you are getting 240 is the answer. Now coming to word problem or story sum. A truck covers a distance of 510 kilometers in 34 liter of diesel. How much distance would it cover in 20 kilometers of diesel? So first you have to think that if you will apply more or you will take more diesel, you can go for a long distance. If you have less petrol, then you will go to a less distance. So they are directly proportional. What are directly proportional? Diesel and distance. But before that, let us take what is asked. It is asked that how much distance would it cover in 20 liters of diesel. That means diesel is given, you have to find the distance. That means there are two quantities. One is diesel in liter and another is your, this is diesel. Another variable is your kilometer distance. So they are directly proportional, distance and diesel. So we'll write in this way. So what I'll write one is your liter. It's not liter, I'll write diesel in liter, or you can mention L, and here it is your distance. Or you can write the distance below also. Let us write one variable, other variable. So this will be your distance. Now diesel is given 34 and distance is 510. Diesel is 20. We don't know how much is distance covered. So let the distance be x. First will be the answer. Answer statement of the first line will be what? Let the distance covered be x. Distance covered be x kilometer. Then put x here. Then you know that the ratio remains constant. So ratio will be equal. So 34 by 510 is equal to 20 by x. Then how to solve? Cross multiply. So 34 multiplies x is equal to 510 multiplies your 20. Or x is equal to 510 multiplies your 20 upon 34. Will cancel. 2 10 times 2 17 times 17 3 times 51. So we are getting 30. So the answer will be 30 multiplies 10. How much it will be? It will be 300. And what is the distance? Distance is in meter. So 300 meter. So now I'll write the statement. What I'll write? In 220 liters of diesel, it will cover 300 meter or kilometer? Kilometer, of course, kilometer. So what we wrote diesel and distance. Diesel, what is given first I wrote down, then what is not given I took as x, then I make the ratio equal. Let us take another question. A taxi charges a fare of 2550 for a journey of 150 kilometer. How much it will charge for a journey of 124 kilometer? That means it is distance, one variable, which is changing. Variable means it is changing. It is taking different one amount. And here your fare. Distance in your kilometer and fare in your rupees. That means more distance you will travel, you have to give more fare. If you have less fare, you can go up to less distance. So they have a direct proportion. So what I'll write, and what is not given, how much would he charge for a journey of 120 kilometers? That means distance is given here and money is asked. Fare is asked. So let us take the money as x. So let the fare be rupees x. Then take the ratio. First is kilometer or distance. Distance, kilometer. Then here is your fare in rupees. For 150 kilometer, no need of writing kilometer again. We have already mentioned here 150, and your fare is 2550. Next is how much it charge. It will charge X for journey of 124 kilometers. So for 124 kilometer, I'll write in the column of distance. Distance is 24 and fare is X. Then their ratio are equal. So 150 upon 2550 is equal to 124 by X. Then cross multiply. This gives you 150 multiplies X is equal to 124 multiplies your 2550, or X is equal to 124 multiplies 2550 upon 150. Cancel 1 0, then cancel with 5 3 times. Here I'll get 5 5 1, then 3 17. So X is equal to 124 multiplies 17. 124 multiplies 17. 17 4 times 68 carries 6. 17 2 times 34 0. 34 plus 4 44. 17 1 times 17 plus 4 2 108. So 2108. So he charges the fare. He means taxi. Fare rupees 2108. Next question. A loaded truck covers 16 kilometers in 25 minutes at the same speed. How he can be in travel for 5 hours? So first you have to note that this time should be in 1 unit only. Then we can apply. Otherwise, we cannot write the ratio and we can write quickly. It covers, so the question is distance and time and how far, that means distance is asked. So there are two variables. One is time, one is distance. More time you will travel, more distance you will cover. Less time you will travel, you will cover less distance. So they are in direct proportion. Now, what is not asked, what is asked, what is how far distance is asked. So let the distance traveled X kilometer. So next is, I'm writing the variables. One is time. Here I'll write time in hour. Next is distance in kilometer. First is, if you notice, it is minute. So I have to convert into hour by dividing with 60. And here distance is traveling 60. And here time is 5. Here distance is not given. I have taken X. So this two ratio will be equal. Okay. So how to write this ratio? It will be just 25 upon 16 into 60 into 16 is equal to 5 by X. So now cross multiply. It will be 25 multiplies X is equal to 5 multiplies 60 multiplies 60. Cross multiplication. Or X is equal to 5 multiplies 60 multiplies 16 upon 25. So 5 times 25. Then cancel 60 with 5, it will be 12. Now multiply 12 into 60. How much it will be? It will be 12, 4, 16, 12, 6 times 72, carry 7, 192 kilometer it will travel. So the truck travels 192 kilometer in 5 hours. If 18 dolls cost rupees 630, how many dolls can be bought in rupees 455? So here one variable is number of dolls and another is cost. They are directly proportional. If number of dolls will be more, cost will be more. If it will be less, you have to pay less cost. So here number of dolls and cost. So before that you have to take the how many dolls as x. Let number of dolls we buy for rupees 455 bx. The number of dolls is 18 here and cost is I have taken how much? Rupees 630. How many dolls can be? X number of dolls can be bought with 455. So their ratio is equal dolls to cost. So 18 by 630 is equal to x by 450. One thing you note that I wrote this column in other way. It also serves purpose. You can write 18 by x is equal to 630 by 455. This is the same answer it will give. But here you have to make the ratio equal. Either 18 to 630 is equal to x by 4555 or 18 by x is equal to your 630 by 455. So what I've written? I've written dolls ratio costs. So wherever you written, but you will understand that ratio of dolls to cost is constant. So 18 to 630 is equal to x to 455. Now cross multiplication. 630 multiplies x is equal to 18 multiplies 455. Now x is equal to 18 multiplies 455 whole upon 630. So go on simplifying. I'm directly cancelling with 9. 9 2 times 18. 9 7 times your 63 0. Next I'm writing cancelling with 2, it will be 35. So I got 455 upon 35. I can cancel with 5. 5 9 times. 5 1. 5 7 times. Then 91 upon 7. You know it is 13. 13 7 times 91. Or x is equal to 13. So what will the answer statement? So in rupees 455 we can buy or 13 number of dolls can be bought. Seven. If 9 kg of sugar cost rupees 3238.50 or rupees 238.50 paisa, 9 kg, how much sugar can be bought for rupees 371. That means what are the variables? One is kg of sugar, one is cost. And if you will buy more kg of sugar, you will have to give more cost. So they are directly proportion. How much sugar can be bought? So we will take that as x. It is unknown. So let x kg of sugar can be bought with rupees 371. Then I'll write here sugar in kg. Next is price in rupees or cost in rupees. Sugar 9 kg and cost is 238.50. And when it is x kg, it is 371. The ratio is equal, make it equal. So write down 9 upon 238.5 because this 0 has no meaning at all. It's equal to x by 371. Only to express as paisa, we write 0.50. Otherwise, it will be 235.5. Cross multiply. So 238.5 whole multiplies x is equal to 9 into 371, or x is equal to 9 multiplies 371 upon 238.5. So we can eliminate the decimal by multiplying with 10. So I'm making 90, 371 upon 2385. So I'm cancelling with 5. 5 18 times 90. 5 5 4 times 20. 5 7 times 35. 5 7 times. So let me check again. 2385. I'm dividing with 5. 5 4s 20. 3 8 5 7 times 35. 3 5 5 70 times. So 371 and 477. So we are getting a big division. How to simplify this? 477, if we'll take the sum, it will be divisible by 3. So I'll divisible by 3. 3 6 times, dividing with 3, I'll get 3 1 times 3. 477 dividing by 3, I'll get 3 1 3. And here 1 7 3 5 times 15, 2 7 3 9 times. So I am getting 159. Again this is divisible by 3, 3 2 times. Here I'll divide 3 5 1. 3 5 3 53. Then 53 is a prime number or even a composite number. 53 is a prime number. So 371, I am dividing with 53 directly, I'll get a 7. 7 3 times 21, 371. So it will be 7. So ultimately, I am getting what? 2 into 7. It will be x is equal to 14. 14 kg sugar can be bought. 14 kg sugar can be bought for rupees 371. Question number 8. The cost of 15 meters of cloth is rupees 91. What length of the cloth can be purchased for rupees 1308? Here what are the variables? One is cloth, one is cost. Direct proportion, more cloth, you have to pay more. Less cloth, you have to pay less. So what length of the cloth can be purchased? Let it be X. Start the answer now. Let X meter, because cloth are measured by meter. It is given cost of 15 meter. X meter cloth can be purchased for rupees 1308. Then make the table. Here, what is cloth in meter, and here is cost. First is 15, cloth is, cost is 981. Now cloth we don't know, we have taken X meter, but the price we know, that is 1308. The ratio, make the ratio equal. You are getting 15 upon 981 is equal to X upon 1308. Cross multiply, keep the X term left side. So X multiplies 981, you are getting 15 multiplies 1308, or X is equal to 15 multiply 1308 upon your 981. 981 can be divisible by 3 because the sum is gives you 18. So 3 5 times, 3 3 times, 3 2 times, and 3 7 times. So it is 327. Now check 1308. Here the sum of digit is 9, that is divisible by 3, and the denominator 327, the sum is also 12, it is divisible by 3. So both the terms I will divide with 3. So it will be 109. If I divide with 3, 3 4 times 12, 1308, I am dividing with 3. 3 4 times 12, 3 3 times 9, 1 8, 3 6 times. So 436. You can cancel again also, but I can see that I can divide it with a 4, because 109 multiply 4, this gives you 436. So X is equal to 4. How X is equal to 4? Acha, 4 into 5. 5 is left. 4 into 5, that will be 20 meter. So what is the answer statement? 20 meter cloth can be purchased for rupees 1308. A model of ship mast is 9 centimeter high, while the mast of actual ship is your 15 meter high. If the length of the ship is 13 meter, how long is the model ship? So there is a ship here, and its model is given here. In the model ship, the mast is 9 centimeter high, and the model ship, it is 9 centimeter, and actual ship, it will be 15 centimeter. The length of ship is your, this is 15 meter. Note that it is meter, it is centimeter, and the length of the ship is your 35 meter. The question is, what is the, how long will the model ship? What is the length? It should be in centimeter only. So we can take is your length of the model ship be X centimeter. Okay. So answer statement started. Let the length of model shape be x centimeter. Because when we are making a model, if this mast is centimeter, the length will be also in centimeter. That's why. Now coming to your model, actual shape. Actual shape and your actual mast. Model shape. This is length and then I'll take your mast of actual shape and mast of model shape. Okay, so what is here? 15 meter. Here your mast is 9 centimeter. For model shape it will be 9 centimeter, and this is your 15 meter. And this length of the ship is 35 meter, and model is not given. So you can write the ratio now. I'm taking as x, so 35 upon x is equal to 15 upon 9. These two are in meter, these two are in your meter to centimeter, so no problem. Now cross multiply. 15 into x is equal to 35 into 9, or x is equal to 35 into 9, sorry. X is equal to 35 multiplies 9 by 15. Then cancel 15, 35, 5 7 times, 5 3 times, cancel 3 times. So this will be 21 centimeter. So the length of the model shape is 21 centimeter. I should write x here. Next, in 8 days, the Earth picks up 6.4 10 to the 7 kg of dust from atmosphere. How much dust it will pick in 15 days? So number of days will be increased, the dust will be increased. So one variable is days, one variable is dust. Number of days, kg of dust. And what is not given? How much dust is asked. So amount of dust we have to take as x. Let amount of dust picked up in 15 days be x. X what? X kg. Then I'll write the ratio, number of days, and here your dust in kg. First is, it is 8 and it is 6.4 into 10 to the power 7. And next is for 15 days, we don't know, we have taken x. The ratio is constant. Ratio is same. So you will write 8 upon 6.4 into 10 to the power 7 is equal to 15 upon x. Now I'll cross multiply. 8 will be multiplied with the x. 15 will be multiplied with the number. Don't multiply, keep it as it is because we'll simplify. So no need of wasting time. 10 to the power 7. Or x is equal to, I'll separate x now. X is equal to 15 multiplies 6.4 into 10 to the power 7 upon your 8. So how I'll do? I'll 64, 6.4 divided by 8, I'll get 0.8. Then x is equal to 15 into 0.8 multiplies 10 to the power 7. 15 multiplies 0.8, it gives you 12. So this will be 12 into 10 to the power 7 kg. But when we use the scientific notation, you know that we keep the decimal after only one number. So 12 will be written as 1.2 into 10, again 10 to the power 7. Then I'll combine these two. It will make you 10 to the power 8. 1.2 10 to the power 8 kg. Now the question is it wrong? No, it is not wrong, but this is more correct. So the answer is the earth will pick 1.2 10 to the power 8 kg dust in 15 days. Can you imagine how much dust it is? A car is traveling at the average speed of 50 km per hour. How much distance would it travel in 1 hour 12 minutes? So first thing is, one is your hour. This is given in 1 hour. You have to get 1 hour 12 minutes. So you have to convert into hour, first thing. Next is how much is distance is given. You can take as x. Or directly, this is a very simple question, just multiplying you will get it, because it is in 1 hour. In 1 hour the car travels 50 kilometers. So no need of x, only convert this time to hour. So how to convert? 1 hour 12 minutes is equal to 1 whole 12 upon 60. 12 upon 60 means it will be 1 by 5, because 12 5 times 60. It will be 6 by 5. So in 6 by 5 hour, it will be just your unitary method. I'll multiply 50 with 6 by 5. How much it will be? 50 cancel 10, so it will be 60 kilometer. So the car would travel 60 kilometer in 1 hour 12 minutes. Next, Ravi walks at a uniform speed of 5 km per hour. What distance it will cover in 2 hours 25 minutes? Same question. First convert 2 hours and 24 minutes into hour. How much will divide? 2 whole 24 upon 60. Cancel with 12 2 times, 12 5 times. So 2 whole 2 by 5. If we'll make into improper fraction, it will be 12 by 5. So this many hours you have to find the distance travel. 1 kilometer per hour means, what does it mean? It means, 5 kilometer per hour means in 1 hour it travels, Ravi travels, not it, Ravi. Ravi is a person. I cannot write it. Ravi travels 5 kilometer. So he is traveling for 12 and 5 hours. He travels 5 into 12 by 5. How much it will be? it will be 12 kilometer. So Ravi will cover 12 kilometer in 2 hours and 24 minutes. If the thickness of a pile of 12 cardboards is 65 millimeter, find the thickness of a pile of 312 cardboards. The cardboards are kept one over another in the same way. It is saying that if there are 12 cardboards, it gives us 65 millimeter. Now, if I'll take 312 cardboards, what will be its height? So one is number of cardboards and thickness. More cardboard you will keep, more thickness will be increased. If cardboards will be less, thickness will decrease. So if there is direct proportion, one increases, other increases. One decreases, other also decreases. So find the thickness of the 312 cardboards. So when thickness is asked, I'll take it is x. And what should be unit? Unit should be millimeter. So let thickness of 312 cardboards be x millimeter. Then I'll write the ratio, number of cardboards and here thickness. First I'll seek 12 cardboards, thickness is 65. This is millimeter. Next is how many cardboards is keeping? 312. How much thickness we are getting? We are not getting any thickness. We have to find it, which we have taken here x. Now this ratio are equal, make them equal. So 12 by 65 is equal to 312 upon x. Now cross multiply. 12 multiplies x is equal to 65 multiplies 312. Or x is equal to 65 multiplies your 312 upon 12. Cancel. I'm cancelling with 3, 3 4 times, 3 1 0 4. Then your 4 2 times 8 for 6 times. Now you multiply. 65 into 26. 65 multiplies 26. 65 multiplies 26. 6 5 times 30 carries 3, 39. 2 5 times 10 carries 1. 12 plus 1 13. So 0 9 6 1. So it will be 1690 millimeter. So 1690 millimeter means how much centimeter? It will be 169 centimeter. So keep it as at millimeter. So the thickness of 312 cardboards is 169 millimeter. 11 men can dig 6 and 3 by 4 meter of long trench in one day. How many men should be employed for digging 27-meter long trench to same type of one day? That means 11 men are digging this much. We have to dig 27 meter. how many men will be required. Certainly more will be required, because more work is required. So how many men it is not given, so I'll take as X. So 11 men can dig 6 and 3 by 4 meter of trench. How many men will dig 27 meter of long trench of same type in one day? So let X number of men. So we would be employed. Then we'll write the variables. One is number of men. Then is your trench in meter, length of trench, length of trench in meter. First is your 11 men, it is given 11 men, and it will be 6 and 3 by 4. Let us make it improper. It will be 24 plus 3, 27 by 4. So 27 by 4 meter, and number of men don't know, we have written X. Here they will dig 27 meter. 27 meter. So make the ratio equal. So cross multiply. X multiplies 27 into 4 is equal to 11 into 27. Or X is equal to 11 multiplies 27. 4 will go to numerator. 27 will come to denominator. 27 cancel. You are getting 44. So 44 men should be employed to dig 27-meter trench. Next, Renu times 540 words during half an hour. Within this time, she is typing 540 words in a computer. How many words can she should type in 8 minutes? So this is the relation between time and typing number of words. So more time, more words. Less time, less words. So direct proportion, direct relation. Only thing is here time is given hour, here time is minutes. Half an hour you can convert this into minutes, it will be 30 minutes. How many words is asked? So we can take as X. So start the answer. Let Renu type X number of words in 8 minutes. Then we will go for ratio. Time, I am taking in minutes, and number of words. First is 540 words in half an hour. I am writing 30 minutes. Next is how many words? X words. How much time? 8 minutes. Now make the ratio equal 30 into X. 30 into X is equal to 8 into 540. Or X is equal to 8 multiplies 540 upon your 30. Cancel 3 18 times. Now X is 18 multiplies 8. It will be 144. So Renu will would type 144 words in 8 minutes? Now this is a question for you. We solved so many questions. I hope you have an idea now. If 6 pencils cost rupees 40, find the cost of 1.5 dozen pencils. You can solve yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and share it so that your friends can see. And thank you for subscribing if you have subscribed. Thank you.